Every year around this time, something shifts. The air feels cooler, the light changes, and the world starts to slow down, just a little. For me, that change means one thing. It's time for my annual Halloween party. What started 5 years ago as a small get-together with a few friends has somehow turned into a tradition. A night that feels like a mix of childhood nostalgia, grown-up chaos, and everything that I love about the season. It's not just about Halloween anymore. It's about showing up for the people who've shown up every year. We carve pumpkins, make a mess, and celebrate friendship. And this year is just a bit more special as we have the opportunity to celebrate a dear friend's birthday.
That's keeping one foot out and the other growing back. What is it that's keeping you alone and leaving after we slow down?
Thank you.